Responding to Dr. Kasese's Katonga faction team that had yesterday Sunday 7th April 2024 come to seek inquiries from the Kasese FDC leadership and supporters on whether they should form a new political party to be led by Dr. Kasese as the president, Ronald Kabuko, the Kasese district FDC chairperson, told them to lay means of reconciling with the Naja-Nankumbi faction, regardless of whatever could have transpired between the two factions.
On the 20th of January, was it fair? It was fair. First of recent, we had a district conference that had more than these people you see there. And the resolution is where? We begin with the reconciliation, Katonga and Naja-Nankumbi. Where things fail, we go to Naja-Nankumbi and apply force. That was the resolution.
In their recent consultation, two in the Western region districts, including Mbarara, Kabale, Rukunjiri and Busenye, positively supported the idea of creating a new political party. Kabuko believes that Kasese is the heart of the FDC party in the entire country, currently having 3 political seats in parliament, and therefore cannot just support creation of a new political party, unlike the other districts which do not have an FDC leader even at lower local government level. However, members of the Katonga faction team, especially Anthony Agaba, the former FDC flag bearer, Mbarara Municipal and current LC1 chairperson Kiyanja Seli in Mbarara City, said that they would go with the decision of the majority, even if Kasese FDC members failed to comply.
Going to Mbarara, Kabale, all other members, all other districts, they are saying we form a new party which will be led by Dr. Kano Chiza Besige. So I think what people of Kasese are saying, we also respect their view, but I think we'll go with the majority on this, whereby we are saying we are going to form a new party which will be led by Dr. Kano, Dr. Chiza Besige.
Salam Musumba, the FDC party vice chairperson for Eastern Region, termed some party members stuck at Naja-Nankumbi as terrorists, especially Robert Centenary, the Kasese municipality former member of parliament.
When I'm writing the history of FDC, I will name Centenary as a political terrorist. I'm telling you. I will. And I have evidence for everything. So get up, Ogezi. I'm not that kind. Toyinza kuyekera chibina chikuwadde opportunity to be a leader in your community. You can't do that.
Izola mchekinga ne hokumanya ngumuzire muta muruho nkama yo korkureba buri izoba ngaza parade, not for anything else but to be sure that everybody is there, is all right and fit for what.
Dr. Kasese commended the FDC faithfulness in Kasese of the districts in the entire country for always being united and organized, adding that their decision of not supporting creation of a new political party cannot be taken for granted.
The way forward is determined by the party members, and that's the whole purpose of moving around. Of course, they have also said that if reconciliation is not possible, then we just mobilize the whole country to regain control of our headquarters. That too, we shall process along with the other views, whether we should call the whole party membership and forcefully evict those who are in Naja.
Compiled by Gilbert Muhanguzi for Church of Uganda Family TV News at 8.